What's up, guys? I'm Mike, and this is the Great Outside. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, we do reviews that are not in the backyard, and we also make ridiculous adventure videos. So let's get started. This is the Pinnacle 360 by Ridge Outdoor Gear behind me. I've had this for 6 months. I used it off and on quite a bit, maybe 7 or 8 months actually. Anyhow, used it quite a bit. Gotten a ton of use out of it actually. Used the other one to death, and that was the previous model. That was the Pinnacle's lay flat hammock. So I personally feel like I have quite a bit of experience with this particular hammock. We're going to take a look at the entire thing. It's a budget item. It works very well for the price, and it's great for beginners. So let's get started. I'm going to throw in the hat cam and we'll take a look at it. All right, for the purposes of this video, I went ahead and deconstructed it, and I'm going to reconstruct it, and we're going to pack it up and take it apart. So this does not come with it. This is a hang time hook. I think it's pretty obvious what it's for. I made this loop, so you can discount that. That's just a simple prusik. This is from my old one, so you can also discount this. This is the double stuff sack that it comes in. This is a great thing. It's way better. The original version had the, well, I'm not going to say what I call it, but it had the bag here. Okay, let's put it that way. Comes with continuous loops. These are not bad at all. You can save a small amount of weight by changing them out, but I promise you, I'm not even going to do that. Comes with these carabiners, more than adequate. I've been using them since I got this. They come all attached like this. You literally just set the straps up and go. These are mine. The ones that come with it are black with white stitching, and they work perfectly fine. I've been using them in my basement to hang and test gear, so that's why I don't have them today. All right, let's move on. Ridgeline Organizer. It comes with one of these, just like almost everything else. Now, as you can see, mine has come apart pretty good. I mean, I didn't expect something like this to really last, but it's really come apart. I don't really tug on it, but I do weigh it down, you know, pretty significantly sometimes. So, bug net here. You've got this, so you can stuff your bug net in. I've never actually done this. I just put water bottles in here. Take this back out, spread it out here. Get it the right way. Find your zippers. The zippers on the lay flat were awful. Well, yeah, that's not completely true. They were just really tiny and they scared me. Now we can move this one down and have 2 zippers on each side. That way you can, that should be pretty obvious what that does there. So I'm moving 3 zippers. It's quite a bit, you see what I mean? This is why I don't do this. It's just a pain in the butt. I'll show you my alternative to doing this. Now that that's on, thank God. As you can see, you got entrance points on both sides, inside and out tabs, which I love that. And yeah, good to go there. So this is basically it, set up stock, except for the straps. Toggle for me. I'm gonna have to make a video, you know. All right, I gotta wrap this up. It's getting ready to rain. So you've got 4 D-rings for your underquilt. One there, 2 on those ends. In between, you have these double loops, one for inside, one for out. You can use these for toggles, you know, pretty much anything. You can toggle this out and hold these out this way, or you can, you know, hook your pillows and stuff like that. And it's big inside. You see how big it is? This is 58 by 11 feet long. It comes with an amp steel ridgeline. See the rain falling on me? Yeah, this is a great hammock. They're not made in America. These are outsourced, but the company's from Florida. This version, the full zip, is the heaviest one. I actually forget the weight, but I will put it on the screen. And you know, it's made out of this Dynalon fabric, and this stuff is really comfortable. This does not feel like your cheap, you know, parachute fabric hammocks that they sell at Walmart and all that crap. I really like this. And it's really tough. It's breathable. So yeah, this is a great hammock. You know, I was disappointed with their underquilt, but this hammock has stood the test. Let's talk about the 3 different versions. This is the 180 version, unzips all the way. The half zip version, you know, has 1 zipper, so it's a half entry. You have a bug net attached all the time, and that's significantly lighter because I showed you this has a billion zippers on it. So while this is cool and it works great if you want a Cadillac that gets in and out on both sides and has all the bells and whistles and you can stash this and all that, but just a basic good hammock would be the half zip. That's what I would go with personally, to save weight and size. And then they have a half moon, which I really like. It's got none of these zippers. You know, if you don't need zippers, then don't get them, because sitting in a hammock and having your legs hang over these zippers really sucks. I hate that about zipped up hammocks, but you know, you got to beat the bugs, right? So yeah, that's your concession. The half moon would basically look just like this, exact same size, exact same hammock, same material, and it's got the loops and it's got the D-rings. So there you have it, guys. Ridge Outdoor Gear Pinnacle 360 full review with a little info on the 180 and the half moon hammock. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more like this one, or just because you're awesome and you need to help a guy out. You have a wonderful day. Go outside. It's great out here. Even when it's foggy and crazy, it's even better. See ya.